Hello student, let's begin the graphic input device. So first one, mouse. So what is the mouse? So almost all everyone has know about the mouse. So everyone is the familiar with a computer mouse along with the keyboard. So it is also connected to the keyboard, and it is one of the most common input device. A mouse is also called a pointing device because it enables you to control what happens on the screen by moving the mouse on your disk and pointing, clicking, and selecting item on the screen or display. So a mouse has usually two buttons, right and left, one and also a central wheel which is allow you to scroll up and scroll down the page. The left and right buttons have different functions. Left clicking usually let you to put on your cursor at the center point on the page, or lets you choose a menu item. So right click brings you up list or relevant menu item from which you can select the task. So here the mouse cannot be used to enter the text because it is only for the selecting purpose. So here we can see the vertical movement and the horizontal movement in the diagram. So the many of the older style used the ball which is moved to against two internal roller or record the direction that mouse was being moved in. So the advantages of this one, the mouse is easy to use and not very expensive. So it is a very less price we will get. So next one, the input device is which is joystick. So joystick is also a pointing device to change the cursor position on the monitor screen. So the joystick were originally used to pilot as the part of aeroplane to control, and the technology was developed to let computer gamers experience more realistic game environment. So you can move the joysticks in many direction, and the joystick tell the computer which direction it has been moved into. They also have one or more buttons whose position when pushed can be read by the computer. So the joystick can also be used for controlling machine such as craner, tanker, and the powered wheelchairs. So these joysticks have the lower spherical ball moves in the socket, and this joystick can be changed in all four directions. We can in the display on the screen. The functions of joysticks is similar to that of the mouse. It is mainly used to computer aided design CAD, the playing computer games. So we can see here the joystick, how it is. The pin is going to connect it to the computer, and using that above we can control the screen. So what are the advantages of this joystick? They give a better gaming experience or racing or flying the styles of the computer games. So disadvantages of this is some people find joystick more difficult to control the traditional mouse compared to traditional mouse. So this is a joystick is very difficult. So one more disadvantage this joystick is are not particularly robust and can break easy if too much force is used on them. So next one, the tablet, the graphics tablet. Also called a drawing tablet or the pen tablet. A graphic tablet is a natural input device that converts information from a handheld stylus. Means, so this is what the graphical tablets are often used by graphic designer. By using graphic tablet, designer can produce much more accurate drawings on the screen than they could with a mouse or other pointing device. So compared to this mouse or any other pointing device through, so this tablet through we can draw the drawing accurately. So when combined with an art applications such as Corel Painter and Photoshop, so these are the examples of what when we are going to draw the diagram. So the graphic tablets consist of flat pad, the tablet on which you draw the special pen. So in this tablet there is a special pen is available, so that pen through we can draw and much more control on this pen. So the user uses the style like a pen, pencil or paintbrush, pressing its tip on the tablet surface. So this device can also be used in a replacement of a computer mouse. So picture is an example of graphic tablet and the status of manufactured by the Wacom. So in the diagram we can see, so this is the graphic tablets. So using that pen we can draw the easily diagrams to the drawing the diagrams. So the pen is usually radio controlled rather than touch control. So this is very useful should you want to trace out an existing line drawing on a paper, as you can simply place the paper over the pad and start tracing it out. Some pens have pressure sensitive tip to allow the artist to draw heavier or lighter lines. So what are the advantages of this graphic tablet? It is much more natural to draw the diagrams with the pencil types of implement rather than with the mouse. Compared to mouse, we can easily draw the diagram and as much as compared to neat with the mouse. So what are one more advantages? A great level of accuracy can be achieved. Means some neat kind of diagram we can achieve in these types of graphic tablets. So what are the disadvantages of this graphic tablet? Not really suitable general selections work, such as pointing and clicking on the menu items. So there is a some problems should be there while selecting the menu or pointing or clicking that time. So graphics tablets are much more expensive than a mouse. So these types of what it is the most expensive or more expensive than compared to mouse. So these are related to the graphic input devices. In the next video we are going to see what are the output devices. So thank you students.